Hello friends, this is Hamid and welcome to the channel. In this video we will learn how to download and install Figma for free on Windows 10. So without wasting time, let's get started after this intro. So guys, at first we will open google.com and in search box we will type Figma download. Then press enter. Then click the first link in the search results. Here we can see Figma is available to download for almost all the platforms. It's available for Mac OS and Windows. It's also available for iOS and Android. Because we are using Windows, let's download the app for Windows. Click Start Download if you have IDM and it will start downloading. Now after downloading, locate the program file. It's usually in the Downloads folder. Double click the Figma setup. And here we can see the setup will install itself. Meanwhile, we can close the windows in the behind. It's installing. And here we can see that Figma has opened. Now we will see how we can access the full app by logging in, or we can create a new account. If you have any previous account, you can simply log in. If you don't have any previous account, you can click on create one button to create a new one. It's really simple. As I already have an account with Figma, I will click on login with browser and it will open a new window in your browser. Here you can create a new account or simply log in. After filling out your login credentials, simply click on login. It's authenticating at the backend. Now simply click on the Open Desktop app. It will open the desktop app logged in already in your PC. Here you can see it's logging in and it will show my home screen in a moment. Let's just wait. Here you can see we have successfully logged in. Here's my account details. So friends, in this video we learned how to download and install Figma for free on Windows 10. If you liked the video, a sub to our channel would be much appreciated. See you in the next video. It's Hamid Ali signing out.